Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can replace your broken screen on a Dell laptop. Uh, the model is Dell Inspiron 3552. It's a 3000 series Dell Inspiron. So the first thing always that you should do before replacing the screen, disconnecting the cable to the screen and similar is to remove the battery, because the display is always, there is some voltage on the cable and you can damage the display or even the board to the laptop. So of course the first thing is to remove the battery and flip the laptop around like this. Let me make the camera. Since the laptop have no screws on the bezel, the clips are usually on the upper side, so it's pretty easy actually to do it. Just start from the inside of the laptop and remove it like this. After that, just remove the things here which are holding the hinges like this. The display by itself is held by 4 screws here like this, so just remove the screws. Put the display a little bit on an angle so the display don't fall off when you remove the screws like this. Just put it down. Now we have to disconnect the cable from the old one. It's held by adhesive, so it doesn't move when you open or close the display. We're gonna remove this one. And we're gonna put the new one. Like this. Just connect the cable. It's got a lock mechanism, which is pretty handy. Just put back the adhesive, and I like to add an extra piece of tape so it doesn't move, like this. Now the next thing is to put it back. Just put it in the same place and put the screws back like this. Always when you open a laptop or you are changing a display, check the screws on the hinges, because with the time they are getting loose and this can make you big troubles. Just tie them like this. Now we have to see the cable in the right canal. It's okay. Now to put back the bezel, just insert in here. Let me show you where the hinges are. It has to go inside, and after that I usually start from the camera, so you can position it in the middle and start clicking like this. If you didn't break something when you disassemble it, the assembly should be very easy. Hold with one hand in the back and with the other one just push. You can see there is no gap, so the display aligns perfectly. Now let's see if the laptop have a battery so we can test it, or I have to use a charger. Yep, it's all working fine. So basically that's the whole procedure. I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe if you do. Bye bye for now.